Today I'm cooking a simple stir-fry lala or clams for lunch. It is simple to cook and very delicious. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 1 kg of lala, wash and clean, 70 grams of ginger strips, 80 grams of yellow onion cut into strips, 50 ml of water, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 stalks of spring onions cut into 2 inches in length, 1 red chili, 5 cloves of garlic chopped, half teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine or Chinese cooking rice wine, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour. The full list of the ingredients is in the See More link. Put tapioca flour in the bigger bowl, add 25 ml of water, mix water and flour until the flour has dissolved. Leave it aside. Switch on the heat, add in all the cooking oil. Wait for the oil to heat up. Add in all the chopped garlic and cook for about 2 minutes or until crispy and golden brown. Alright, garlic is okay. Remove most of the crispy garlic and leave a little in the pan. Add in the yellow onions and ginger strips. Stir and cook the ginger and onion for about 2 minutes or until soft and the aroma has been released. Okay, ginger has released its aroma. Add in the lala. Stir for about 30 seconds or until well mixed and coated with the ginger and oil. This looks okay. Add in 1/8 teaspoon of salt, sesame oil, crushed black pepper, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and red chili. Stir and mix until well combined. Add in 25 ml of water. Cover the pan and simmer for 8 minutes. Stir occasionally to rotate and cook the lala evenly. Once the lala is cooked, the shell will open up one by one and change to a light orange in color. Stir occasionally to distribute the heat evenly. This allows the lala to cook and open up faster. After 8 minutes, all the lala are cooked and have opened up. Give it a taste. Delicious. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it's already perfect. Next, add in the tapioca flour mix and stir to thicken the gravy. Okay, the gravy is nice and thick now. Add in all the spring onions, Shaoxing wine, and the crispy fried garlic. Switch off the heat. Mix to combine all the ingredients again. Now we can dish out and serve. Let's eat! So delicious! The lala is really fresh and tasty. The gravy is delicious and flavorful with slight heat from the ginger. The garlic and Shaoxing wine are so fragrant. It blends so well with the fresh lala. So good! Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!